everyone, today we are back at the Edgedale Plains in Punggol, and I have with me a well-renovated 4-room flat. If you're looking for a home in a peaceful area, yet with the convenience of MRT stations, amenities, and a primary school nearby, this could be right for you. Hi, I'm Noelle Lai. Come with me to check out this beautiful home. Conveniently located right beside Edge LRT, Block 126A Edgedale Plains offers lots of amenities within reach. Punggol Plaza is just a 5-minute stroll away for groceries and dining options. Waterway Point is also 3 LRT stops away for more conveniences. What's more, renowned Mee Toh School is right across the road for your child's easy enrollment. Welcome to this spacious 4-room flat. This is a 90 square meter mid-floor unit. As you enter the house, you're greeted by the living and dining space. This living area is so spacious that you can fit a big 3-seater sofa, TV console, coffee table, and a settee. This full-height window at the back brings in a lot of natural light to give this house a warm and cozy feeling. The owner adopted a minimalist concept in the entire house, with little to no built-in furniture, and this allows you to customize the area to your liking. The dining area located right behind the living area and strategically located at the entrance of the kitchen. This space here can fit in a 6-seater dining set comfortably. Here we are in this spacious kitchen, which is bright and airy. So over here you have your usual kitchen appliances, and in this kitchen you will never run out of storage space with top hung cabinets here and a lot of bottom cabinets as well. And what I really like about this kitchen is this backyard area here, where you can use it for your laundry purposes, and at the same time this window here provides a lot of ventilation for heavy cooking as well as drying of laundry. All of the room comes with new aircon and this laminated flooring, which brings out a really cozy feel for the rooms. So here we are in the master bedroom. We have here a queen-size bed, bedside table, a full-height wardrobe, and plenty of recessed cabinets below the window for your additional storage space. Both common rooms are of very good size, and both of them can fit in double bed and a full-height wardrobe with plenty of walking space. And this room where I am, the owner converts this to a home office, and if you need it to be a bedroom, it can be easily converted back into one. Thank you for joining me on today's home tour. If you have liked what you've seen, contact me for your exclusive viewing. Once again, I'm Noelle, and I look forward to seeing you soon.